Hello, everyone. This is Bill Kemp with KempWindows.com, and today is Tip Tuesday. And today I want to talk to you about how to find the right replacement window. Now, I know you've heard it all before. Choose a window that has a good energy rating. Choose a window that has a great lifetime to home warranty. Choose a window that's been installed by the best manufacturers in the world. Choose a window that has been installed by a company who's been in business for 50 years. Yeah, I know you've heard it all before. So today I'm going to give you something a little different. 2 independent rating councils that are completely independent of the manufacturer and of the company that you're actually buying the window from. One is called the NFRC, which stands for National Fenestration Rating Council. This is a little sticker that you'll see on the front of the glass of the windows that you purchase, and that is done by an independent lab. They test for air leakage, for solar gain, for heat gains, things like that, okay? The next is called the AAMA, which stands for the American Architectural Manufacturers Association. Now, they test for things like air leakage, water penetration. These tests are done in independent labs. The independent components of the windows are tested. And then the manufacturers have to certify that the window components used in the test are the exact same components used in the windows they build for you. So when it comes to looking at a good quality window, check out the NFRC label and also see if that window is AAAM certified. Now at KempWindows.com, we offer to you 2 windows, the Fusion and the Mezzo, and they both have the AAMA Gold Seal rating, which means it's simply the best window that you can install in your home, and that's not by us, that is by the AAMA. Have a great day. We'll see you next week.